Hello and welcome to this video in the Facebook Ads Masterclass. In the last video, we set up our business manager, our business page, our ad account, and our pixel. We also installed our pixel into our Shopify store. In this video, we'll be going over the different styles of ads that you can run on Facebook. To get started, click the menu in the top left of the Facebook Ads Manager page. Select Ad Account from the drop-down menu. This will take us to the ad account that we just created. We're going to start by creating an ad. Don't worry, we won't be finishing it in this video. This is just to get us to the place that shows all the different styles of ads that can be created. Click Create in the top left of your ad manager. You should see a pop-up that looks like this. The first option in the top left is brand awareness. This is the campaign objective you want if you're trying to get brand name recognition. Facebook will deliver your ad as often as it can to a large enough audience to make sure your brand name is recognized and remembered by that subset of users who receive delivery. This is a great option for a company that is rebranding or a new company with a high budget for advertising that is trying to develop their brand. If you're a drop shipper and worry more about your products than your brand, I would avoid this. Your next option is reach. Reach is very similar to brand awareness, except reach is going to go after as many people as possible, disregarding the frequency at which the audience sees your ad. You will likely have a higher reach with a reach ad over a brand awareness ad, but a lower frequency. While frequency is an important number to monitor, don't worry too much about it in these campaigns. This is the advertising campaign objective you will use when attempting to reach the highest number of people while keeping a cap on the frequency to the amount of times an ad is delivered to any person in that group. This becomes incredibly helpful in some more advanced retargeting strategies. Under the first option in the middle column, traffic. Traffic is designed to drive traffic. It's going to drive traffic to an offer page, to a landing page, to a survey page, to a blog page. It's designed to get people to go to wherever you're trying to get them to go. Many advertisers will see this option and mistake it for the best option to run their ads to make sales. While traffic is a great consideration for an offer that requires you to be in front of eyeballs, it's not ideal for driving converting traffic to your website. Why? Facebook determines the success of your advertising campaign based on the campaign objective you set. Facebook is concerned about one thing when optimizing your ad placement and delivery for this type of ads: how many link clicks you're going to get. Now, if Facebook finds a set of the audience that's clicking through at a much higher rate and for cheaper, they're going to spend all of your advertising budget here. They don't care what happens after your traffic clicks the link. This means that even if the traffic is zero intent to buy, Facebook thinks it's doing a great job optimizing because you get cheap link clicks. Then you think Facebook's doing a poor job because you're getting zero sales. Link clicks is great for traffic campaigns. Don't expect to make any sales off this objective, though you may still make some. Engagement, the second option in this column, is all about page likes, post engagement, and event engagements. This is a great way to drive social proof for your brand. If you want more people to like, comment, and share your post, this is the campaign objective for you. Also, if you want to build your page audience, start here. Why is social proof important? Nobody wants to be the first sucker. People don't mind being the second one, but no one wants to ever be the first in this category. By having people who like the page or video, lots of comments, plenty of shares, it shows that the content is worthy of attention and sharing. Engagement campaigns also complement a video view and conversion campaign well. Nothing screams to stay away quite as much as 20,000 views on a video and 0 comments, likes, and shares. Alright, down to app installs. This is pretty self-explanatory. You got an app, you want people to install your app, this is where you need to be. Video views is an interesting category that has really taken some heat in the groups that I'm a part of. 2 years ago, it was all the rage to run video view ads and make sure you have so many video views before converting over to a conversion campaign. Then these groups started saying, it's not worth doing the video views are a joke, make viral content. Now we're coming back full circle. I'm starting to see people say, go after video views. Why are we seeing this kind of change in approach so often? Why? Video content is being consumed more and more. The goal is to now make viral content that people want to share. The problem? There is more video content now than ever before, And even if you have viral type content, you may not get seen by the right people at the right time if you're not advertising it. Listen, Facebook does limit the organic reach of your content now compared to what it was just a year ago. The ever-changing nature of Facebook has led to the rise, fall, and resurrection of video view ads. Where do I stand? Don't bother if you're selling. Make great content, put out conversion ads, and that's it. If you're trying to sell something, that's the way to go. When do you do video views? Personally, I don't. I reserve that budget for other platforms where video views are of a higher impact and intent is different. Lead generation's up next. I enjoy a good lead gen ad, especially on Facebook. You get a custom form fill out and the experience is very fluid for the prospect. Most e-commerce stores aren't going to do a lead gen form unless they've migrated off their platforms and want to sell on Messenger or the phone. Lead gen is great for service-oriented companies and a cheaper alternative to Google AdWords ads. Some leads on Google Ads will cost $50 to $100 per lead, but those same leads can be captured on Facebook, if done correctly, at a fraction of the cost. Messages, I don't really go after this option. Yes, it's a growing market, but I feel like if your goal is to drive messages, you need to have a concrete flow and a great autoresponder. Yes, Messenger is a great sales channel. I still don't think it is the most effective use of your time and energy unless you have a rock-solid plan and have tested conversion rates to find that this is your highest converting channel. On to conversion ads. This is where the bulk of my ad spend has been historically located. Why? The campaign objective forced Facebook to optimize for the lowest cost per conversion for your website. This means that by running a conversion campaign, Facebook is attempting to deliver your ad to the audiences that are most likely to convert at the cheapest cost. This is important. Let me say it again. Facebook is attempting to deliver your ad to the audiences that are most likely to convert at the cheapest cost. This is the only campaign objective that will do this for you. If you're an e-commerce website and want to be profitable with Facebook ads, this is the route to go. Okay, before I move on to the last two campaign objectives, I want to explain a simple concept. Facebook does not care about us. They care about the dollars that end up in their accounts. We are not their customers. We are only their clients. Their customers are the end user. While we will use their platform to deliver ads to their customers, we have to be aware that Facebook is going to do everything they can do to ensure a positive customer experience for their customers first. This means that if your ads provide a poor customer experience or are not well received, they won't be shown at the same rate, and you may have to pay a premium for placement as it is exposing Facebook's customers to a poor customer experience, which in turn exposes Facebook to the danger of losing a customer. The less customers that Facebook has, the lower their value is to their clients and the less they can charge to be on their platform listing ads. Okay, on to catalog sales. This is a fun one, but requires you to add your product catalog feed to your Facebook account. I will have a supplemental video on how to do this available after the video series. Just know this allows you to deliver dynamic content advertisements based on the potential to purchase the product delivered in the ads. It's a very neat feature and indispensable for retargeting traffic. Last and certainly least, for digital-only business owners, store traffic. Yes, ads designed to help drive traffic to a physical retail location. If you don't have a retail location, you will never use this. That's all for this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily advertising, marketing, Shopify, and dropshipping training. In our next video, we'll be creating our very first ad together. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.